Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a Marshall haul. My husband is going to be my photographer for my maternity shoot, so I was just like, let me go ahead and go find something real quick because I am a last minute person. So let's start off with this orange dress that I found. It has the ruffles at the bottom. This was a size medium and it fit me pretty well. Only thing is, I would like it a bit tighter just to show off my belly a little bit more. But other than that, I liked it. It was cute. It was very classy and simple. And I think it would be a great outfit for like a baby shower. So yeah, guys, it was cute. Here, so we have this white netted dress. I showed my sisters and one of them said I look like I'm going swimming, so I was like, that's a no. But I thought it was cute. It had like little shorts at the underneath it and ruffles on the arms and the bottom, which gave it character. I really liked this, but you know, after I told my sisters and they told me this was a I was like, yeah, this is a I guess I could only buy this if I was going to the pool or something, but not for pictures, baby. But anywho, guys, I think I got this in a size medium. But like I said before, this was a no anyway. And it's on to the next dress. Then we have this cute red dress. It has like a little skirt slip inside, you know, that covers everything because it has a slit in the front. But I liked this one. It's just that I was gonna have to hold my belly like in every picture just to show it off. I want to show off my belly more than anything. And look at that booty back there. But anywho, this is a tight fitting dress. I liked it. For the shoe, I don't think so. It was high outside, and I felt like I was just gonna have wet spots everywhere just because it's red and bright. But this dress wasn't too bad. But it made me feel like it was just something I'll go on a date with my hubby or something. Oh, look how I opened it up right there. See, it showed it, but it'll be covered a lot more, so I'll have to be struggling a lot trying to, you know, show off my belly. So this was nah. Okay, so after talking to my husband, he was like, forget about the dresses, go with showing your belly a lot more. So look for a two-piece set or, you know, a top and a bottom or something like that. So I came across this white skirt, but I was not feeling it. It was too thick. It should have been thinner. And then this spaghetti strap brown crop top. It wasn't what I was looking for, but I do have some other crop tops that I'll show you. This size was a medium. I think everything I've gotten was a medium and everything, but on to the next one. Alright, so then I went ahead and traded out that crop top to this blue one, and I thought it was so cute, but it didn't go with this skirt. It just didn't look right, and I feel like my pictures would have turned out just all jacked up. So, but I like the blue crop top because, you know, I'm having a boy, so it would have been perfect, but still, that skirt, I just can't deal with the skirt. Then I was like, okay, gotta find a white crop top. So I went and got this white crop top, but it was too little, and this was the only one they had. This was a size small, and I was just could not fit into it. My boots would not fit into it, so I was just like, ah. But still, even then, if that crop top would have worked out, the skirt still had to go. So this was still a no, all a no. Then I was like, let's find a set, you know, a set that looks, you know, top and bottom is the same. And I came across this one and I thought it was so cute. This was the first thing I found actually when I came into Marshall's, but I was just too nervous to put it on. But I decided to go ahead and it looks good. I also came across this other set, this crop top and skirt, bottom skirt, and this was cute as well. But the only thing is, the back part was too short. Like, I feel like every step I would have took, my booty would have been hanging out. So I was just like, maybe not. But it was very cute. It was like a navy blue. You really can't see it in here. It's like a Hawaiian look. So this is my last look, guys. So thank y'all so much for watching, and continue watching so you can see the beautiful pictures that my husband took. He did so good, guys. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye. Alright guys, we're done. This is my last little outfit. Look, we're done. This is a scarf that I used to top my boobs. But yeah, hubby did so good. Babe, you did so good. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, so I gotta walk myself up here. But we went down to this creek, like I said before. Took some quick pictures. I was posing about the same pose about on all of them, but he's talking about he likes my smile, so he wanted me to smile more. I was trying to be serious with that serious face, like, you know, I'm dominating these pictures, but look, thing falling. He didn't even tell me now. I'm probably looking lopsided in some of my pictures, but as you see the background, that's how it was. There's no water down here in this creek, so we just kind of used what we could see visually with our eyes of what a good picture would look like. So we are done. Now we gotta go pick up the babies. Gotta get something to eat because I'm hungry. All right guys, I'm out the shower now. I'm about to lay it down. I didn't wash my face, got all the makeup off. Now I'm in some, I guess you call them night clothes. This is my high school shirt. It's kind of like good ass. Oh, but anywho, yeah, I'm about to lay down. The kids are in the living room. I'm about to take a nap. Hubby's in another room taking a nap, so the kids won't be bothering him. So, because he has to go to work. But thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on another one of my videos. All right.